What's up, everybody? Today I wanted to talk a little bit about warming up. So one thing that I do before any lifting session, regardless of what I'm training, is I swing this club around, and it's CK handle with a small Ramjet head on it. Total it weighs like 18 pounds, I think. And even if I'm doing squats, I like to give this thing a whirl just to get my upper body opened up. I like to do a lot of pendulums because you get the good stretch, and then a lot of mills because that opens your arms up. It really gets the shoulders moving. And then you get like a full range of motion in your arms. And it just starts to get that whole upper body warmed up. And then I like to move into some single arm mills. And just really get the blood flowing into my hands, through my shoulders and my arms. And it's just a great tool to use to get ready for some heavy lifting. So give that a try and let us know what you think, and we'll see you in the next video.